It's a look, y'all. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all today in this video how I achieved this beautiful jumbo boho braided ponytail hairstyle. So let's get into it. So I started off on an old twist out that I did. So I did have some dandruff, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some oil on my scalp, and it was itching and it was dry. So I'm glad I went on ahead and took care of that. Now the first thing we're going to do is just go ahead and part my hair. So I am going to be doing a braid on this side in the front. So we're going to do 2 braids. So I'm just using my comb to help part my hair, and then I'm applying some more oil because I got some more dandruff. It's everywhere, y'all. But anyways, I'm using the Esha Slick and Slay braiding gel. So I'm just going to be using that to lay down my hair so I can actually braid my hair. Now when it comes down to braiding my own hair, it do get a little bit challenging, y'all. So I am braiding it as you see here, and I'm just doing, you know, the regular smegular cornrows. So I'm braiding and this is real time, y'all. I ain't speed nothing up in this. I like, let me show them how it really goes down up in here. So yeah, as you see, I'm just, you know, braiding, and I'm taking my time because if I don't, it can get a little bit raggedy. And we are finally done with the first braid, and then we're gonna go ahead and show y'all the second braid. So yeah, this is how it's gonna be looking. So you know, I gotta go ahead and spray my hair down. As I told y'all, this is a twist out, and it was an old twist out, so I went on ahead and combed it out, and yeah, it gave me a blowout. I was like, let me go ahead and preserve this style by, you know, kind of just doing something different. But anyways, as you see, I am sleeking my hair down with the same slick braiding gel here, and I love this stuff, y'all. I mean, y'all see my hair be sleeking. So I had to get the back of my neck, as you see them things back there is, you know, a little bit kinky, you know. But anyways, I'm just using my hand. I'm just spreading the product through, and then I'm going to be using my hard bristle brush to, you know, smooth it all out. What you see me doing here is just molding my hair into this high ponytail that I will be achieving. So I just keep on, you know, brushing my hair until I really get it down. So I went on ahead and I cut my hair tie that I do normally use, and then I just went on ahead and just applied some water on the loose strands that you see here. Now I'm going to be doing some twists because I want this ponytail to kind of be a little bit small. I have thick hair, and it was a little bit hard to just like kind of get it to be small, but I'm glad I did it this way. But I did struggle a little bit because I really didn't know what direction this was really about to go in, because I don't even remember doing like a braided ponytail before. So this is a little bit different from what I'm normally used to doing. After I created those 3 twists, I just kind of like gathered it all together, and I was about to go that way, but then I'm like, nah, that ain't gonna work. So I went back around, and you know, I tried to wrap it around. I got some extra hair ties to, you know, kind of make it into a tight bun, like the tightest that I can get it, because I did not want that little hump at the top. And even though I did get it, I found ways to improvise. Ooh, y'all, I was so tired, my arms were hurting. But I went ahead and I kept proceeding. That's what we're gonna be doing, y'all. So I'm just sleeking the rest of my hair down, and I went ahead and applied these hair wraps on there. I don't really know the real name of it, but I think it's called True Wave. But I got it from the beauty supply, and this is just to help lay my hair down, you know, any type of flyaways, you know, make it a little bit sleek or whatever. Moving on to my favorite braiding hair. So this is the 3X pre-stretched braiding hair. It is 60 inches long, and so I just kept the rubber band on there. I did use the whole pack right here, and I just applied all 3 of the bundles on there, so that way I can have a jumbo braid here. Taking notes on my keyboard, but you're bothering me. the amount of times I had to redo this braid. Good thing there is editing, because when I tell y'all it was a struggle, this was a big jumbo braid and all this hair. What am I gonna do with all this? So I went ahead and I unraveled it, because then I forgot to leave a piece out, because I was gonna leave a piece out to wrap it. So I was like, let me just rewind and do it again. And I just wanted to show y'all, like, I do make mistakes when I do my hair. I know some people say, you know, you make it look so easy. And I'm like, girl, you just don't know. Like, I go through it now. You know, I go through it and I go through it, but eventually I do get it right. And so here we are. We're going to go ahead and split this into 3, because we're going to go ahead and cornrow it.
You know how I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, I want you.
After I have my jumbo braid, I'm just separating it to give it, you know, more of a jumbo look here, and it just makes it a little bit more fluffy, which I love. So I'm just cutting off this thing right here. And then what I'm going to be doing now is just taking the piece that I did leave out, and I'm going to twist that up and just kind of like wrap it around my braid, so I can just kind of, you know, tuck that in and make it look seamless.
Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious.
See, I wrapped it around, and see, I didn't really know what to do with the end part. I was like, well, maybe I can just put it over here. And then I kind of matched that, because I ain't like that hump. But like, maybe I could put it right there. It was kind of cute. But like, nah, let me just keep it, you know, keep it simple. And I don't really be liking that hump. That's why I was trying to get my bun to be small. So I was just kind of trying to smash it down. And then I even fluffed out my hair to kind of make it seamless again. So I am using the Shake and Go crochet water wave hair, and I did cut that in half. And then I'm just going to be taking a piece here, because we're going to create that, you know, bohemian look or whatever. And I just randomly applied it down the length of this braid. Now when I applied it, as you see I'm putting it right here, I kind of make it so that where you know I was talking about that hump. Yeah, adding this kind of like made that hump kind of disappear, you know. It kind of blended in well. Like, okay, so that's what I like to do with my hair. If I don't really like how it's going, I kind of find ways to improvise and still make it look cute. So it's banging, y'all. I'm like, okay, this is definitely a look. So as you see, I'm just taking the pieces and I'm kind of like separating the curls, and I'm just going to repeat that until I get all the way down to the length, and we're going to be moving on.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight.
So we're done applying it on here. As you see, I love it, y'all. Like, she did that. Yes, she did. Anyway, so I'm just applying now a piece in the front where I braided my actual real hair. And I'm just, you know, I tie it in a knot. That's how I actually get it to stay. Now I do become a little bit loose, but overall it kind of stayed because the curls kind of locked it into place. So for the next look, I'm going to be applying some hair jewelry on there. So I did apply some gold hair cuffs and some hair beads on my 2 braids, and this is the overall finished look. I had to do my little model pose. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like, so the algorithm can know that I exist. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Bye. I need to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you.